Tutorial number 7. Convert Control Dialog. Hello, and welcome to the pco.camware video tutorials. This video is all about Convert Control Dialog. This dialog window can be opened by clicking on Sun button within the Camera Properties section, or you can find it when you click at the View menu button. In the tab BW Settings, you can adjust your histogram. If you choose Swap Display, either the gamma setting graph or the histogram is shown. By selecting Swap Size, both graphs are shown in the same window. In the histogram, there are 2 green sliders, or 2 white sliders for color cameras respectively, which control the minimum and the maximum threshold, which is used to convert the 8-bit displayed image. In the gamma setting graph, the gamma value and the contrast can be changed as it is usual in image or video processing software. pco.camware offers 2 automatic options for adjusting the histogram, which can be found in the main toolbar. The function Auto Range Peak, which serves for the minimum and maximum intensity values of the image. With the help of these values, the converter scales the 8-bit display within the minimum and maximum. The function Auto Range Crop sets the converter to ignore the extreme intensity values of the image and scales the display in the smaller range to create a higher contrast. If the function Continuous Auto Range is activated, the contrast is adjusted live continuously during record and replay. You find this function if you right-click into your View window. You can change the contrast by mouse as well. Press the Shift button and select an area within the image by dragging a rectangle while holding the left mouse button. The pixel values within the coordinates of the selected rectangle are used for calculating a new contrast. If you have a color camera, the color images are displayed as RGB images. These images are calculated with the help of different color channels. The intensity of the single colors can be controlled by saturation and vibrancy. The balancing is controlled by color temperature and tint. For best results, we recommend using the Auto White Balance button in the Convert Control dialog. In the Process Configuration tab, high-end image processing features for color cameras are available. If GPU processing is activated, the processing time is significantly reduced. In case these options are grayed out and not available, update your NVIDIA driver or check the website of the computer manufacturer for graphics card driver updates. Other filters are available to adjust the image quality with popular software algorithms. In the tab Converted Histogram, you can check the effects on your converted 8-bit display image, which is created with your recent adjustments. With that, you know all about the Convert Control dialog. Thanks for watching.